Hi, my name is Ali. I am the founder and a team coordinator at the Young Innovators Network. Young Innovators Network enables students to become independent, smarter, and productive learners. Basically, they take charge of their learning and career and become productive in the class, innovative in their assessments, and achieve high marks in the exams. And how do we do this? We run workshops based on passion-driven, interactive, and experiential learning system where we use three steps mentoring approach. Firstly, we engage with them by identifying their passion. Based on their passion, we set the environment through interactive and fun-based workshops to let them experience learning through projects and activities, where we help them to steer their learning in the right direction. And to keep them active and focused learner, our last and third important role is to encourage them to keep learning. We achieve this with many activities like we compliment them on their small achievements and give them feedback where they need to improve. Through awards and rewards, we celebrate their bigger achievements and give them prizes. We offer scholarship to those students who cannot afford, as well as who do exceptionally well in their projects. We bring various role models to our workshops, including high achiever students and successful professionals who inspire and excite our students to learn more. Competitions are the best tool to testify students' ability to deliver something independently. For that, not only we run our own competition, but also help them to participate in national as well as in international competitions as well. Time to time, we run webinars and demos to let students taste of new learning areas. We also take them to special events like exhibitions and festivals to let them display their own work and interact with the like-minded students. We visit universities and commercial spaces where they see themselves studying or working. Finally, we want to say that in our workshop, we try to teach less, instead let students learn more. If you want your child to become an independent, smarter, and productive learner, please drop your email to keep you informed about our free activities.